Yes guys, welcome back to another day, and today we're upstairs again doing more of the timber work and felt and battening one side of the roof. Let's go. And today stud work started already. One wall's going up there. This is when you really start to see how it's going to look upstairs. The ceiling joists need to go in. It's going to be quite a high ceiling, which will be nice. And that's how we're looking at the moment. So we've started the felt and battening. Side getting out by the dormer. The eave is set out as well. For that tile. Little hint. It's going to be different. The outside now. This pitch is felt and battened. Let me show you. Sides of the dormer are felted. This is boarded, T&G OSB, 18mm ply, same as the top roof. We've left this batten out just so when we felt this, we can lift that up and get right under there. As you can see, neat job. That's looking good. As I showed you the other day, that's also boarded as well. This is how we're looking now. This is where the stairs will be going. And then we've got this wall here. Chandelier will be coming down from here. That is the ceiling height as well. High ceilings. Then we walk up, we've got storage in this bit here. And then we've got a room here. You come into here, this will be a bedroom. We've got an ensuite, which is nice. Big window overlooking the garden. And then you come back out of here, there'll be another room here. These walls aren't done yet. Then we come through here. This is one massive bedroom. So you walk through this door, we've got a big dormer there. One big, huge bedroom. This will be partitioned off, obviously, to get rid of that steel. And then that will be an ensuite as well. And that is how we're looking. So we've also boarded the dormer today and felt and battened this side of the roof. So let me show you outside. We will be doing the other side of this pitch. It is coming together now. Even when you walk upstairs, it's like you can see the image coming together, and it's so good when the walls start going up because you can get a feel for what it's really going to look like. It's exciting, and that is another day done. Subscribe, like if you actually enjoyed it, and leave me a comment if you're interested in any specific thing, and I'll get a video separately done for that. See you in the next video.